All right, here we go. This is going to be the tutorial for how to do discovery education for all my newer students and for those who need a refresher. The first thing you need to do is to navigate to Day Schools, so you're logged in. And as you see, I log in. You want to go to Apps and Services, which is right here. You want to scroll down to, let me zoom in so you guys can see it, so it can be big, because you're probably watching it on your phone. And we're going to go down to Discovery Education. I think yours is probably towards the bottom, but it's alphabetical order. Obviously starts with D, so we click on that. Once logged in, you go to Discovery Education. This looks like a student version. I don't know why it looked like student one. Am I logged in as one of the students? So yes, I am. Stacy, I'll log out of yours. Put impersonation. And so mine looks a little bit different from yours, but all you do is click on Studio. If you don't see it here, or if you're doing it on a phone, you go to the top left-hand corner where it has the three little lines, horizontal lines. You'll click that, go down to Studio, click Studio. So now, obviously, I have this. I don't know what this is. It's an issue, but I can see all of yours once you share it with me. So remember, I can only grade it if I can see it. So if you do all the work and do not share it with me, I will never see your work. Good job, Rosa. That's one of my newer students who's doing a great job. I go ahead and make sure you have your name and your period. So let me go ahead and show you guys. So create new. Let's go to board. So when you first open up the board, it's going to give you a blank sheet. I don't like the blank sheet. See how it looks? I'm not a big fan of that. No, 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 no. Absolutely not. So we're going to go here where it says page 1. Click that. Add a page. Every time you create a page, you're always going to use resource side by side. So we click that one. And now that we have it, we can delete this one. So you click the 3 little dots. Delete it. Don't need that anymore. And now we have our new one. Let's make sure we label it correctly. So we got to always put a title for it. And so today we were talking about plant structure. So let's put plants. I'm going to just put structure and function. As long as I understand it, that's fine. Perfect. So we have that. To close it back up, click it, closes it back up. So what goes here? It'd be our essential question. All right. Those essential questions will usually be given to you in class, or you can find them on Schoology. Now, on this left-hand side, you click the plus button, you click text, click that, and we will have our vocabulary words. So vocab, see, vocabulary. So how are we going to do that? You're going to have the term, the definition. So, definition, and then you're going to have either use it in a sentence or an example. So sentence or example. Remember, you got to have all of this. So all of this is very important. So if you don't have this, it's going to interfere with your grade, okay? What I would recommend you always do is just write sentence, and you can just make it bold, and then the term, make it bold, and just make the definition regular, so it's easy for you to see. I can see it and make it easier for me to grade it, okay? Over here is super easy. Click text. We just add our notes. So these are the class notes. Everything that we write in class, you just rewrite it here. There will be a few things that I ask you to add to here. So for instance, you did an assignment. I want you to add that particular assignment or that thing here. You don't have to retype that. You just got to take a picture of it. See where it says select to add? Click select to add. You should have, if you took a picture of it on your phone, all you got to do is use your phone and upload from your device. So you click here. You can add device. And voila, if you have pictures, you can literally go ahead and go to pictures. And then whatever picture you have that you want to add, you can go ahead and add it. All right. So I'm going to just add a picture of a cell. And you see the status here. So start to upload. And voila. Boom. And then you have your picture. And it is now part of your notes. So you can just literally add it here. Now, sometimes like, oh, Mr. DeHady, it's not enough space. You click that little button and pull it down. And you can move that here and move it further down. And you can make it go infinity and beyond. Just keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. So remember, you create a board every 9 weeks. So we're in our third 9 weeks. So you will have one more board for the fourth 9 weeks. And every section that we teach in the class, we got to create a page. So next class, we're going to be talking about structure, plants. But it's not going to just be plants. It's going to be about plant sexual reproduction. Yes, plants do have sex. Plant sex. Okay? And that'll be the next one. And voila, it's already side by side and it's perfect and it's ready for us. We just got to put our essential question here, put our vocabulary definition and use it in a sentence, and then right here. Now, let's go back. Mr. DeHaty, I put the picture there, I did the vocabulary, I did the notes, but the essential question, how do I answer it? I know you said don't type it. Well, we can put a video recording there, all right? Because remember, you have to record yourself. So let's add another recording. So go to plus, add. If you loaded it from your phone, perfect. If you did it from your computer, you have to do it with your phone or record it with your computer, or you can do it in my class. Remember, I have those phones, so you can come to me, record it after school, and then just email it to yourself so you can download it, okay? So you go here. Let's add file. That is a picture of me with my eye was messed up when I couldn't see anything, and I was still trying to grade your work, so let's go ahead and use that. Open this up, and voila, we have that image here. And you'll see Mr. DeHaty, blind eye who cannot see, still trying to grade your work. So yes, voila. Okay, after I had surgery on my eye, I'm still trying to grade your work. All right, and that's just an image, but you obviously will have a video or you will have an audio recording. Okay, and last but not least, we have to click right here. See where it says board 39. It puts the date. I don't want the date. I want your name. So let's put Mr. DeHaty, and you'll put your period. Period, and let's just put period 3 since I have no period 3. Okay, that's done. You don't have to add a description. It saves automatically. See how it says save? Perfect. You want to make sure you share it to me, so click share, and I'm gonna just put my name again. Hey. Oh, okay, it's not letting me do it because my name will pop up again. There we go. So I have these different classrooms, so I can add it to a classroom, or I can just add it to a particular person, okay? Just make sure you share it. Once you do it, make sure you click share, all right? And I will have it. Now, you don't have to share it to me until you're done with it, okay? If you share it early, then it can get lost in the cycle. So I would rather you wait till the week that is due and then you share it with me so then I can easily grade it, okay? I think that's everything for the tutorial. Once you're done, it saves automatically. You can close it. One thing I would say is do not start this. Walk away, go eat, go outside, play, come back. Because when it does lose connection because it logs you out, it won't have it saved. So every so often, say you go somewhere, you come back, press that refresh button. Voila. And if it refreshes and cuts back on, you'll know you're still logged in. But if it refreshes and takes you back to your home page, oh, this is a great book. But it takes you to the home page, which is the school right here, it takes you back to this login, then you know that it logged you out and everything that you do won't work. So if you walk away and you come back, press that refresh button to make sure that you're still logged in, okay? Perfect. If you want, you can play around with it. You can make it a little pretty. You can add things. You can customize it. You can change the background. You can do all these different things and make it look better if you want to. Now, take pride and you can add whatever you want to it. All I really care about is that essential question, that vocabulary, the definition, and the sentence, the example, and the notes. Now, wait a second, Mr. DeHaty, where do I find all this information? I got you. We go back here. Let's look for Schoology right there. Schoology, open up Schoology. And voila. And I'm kind of doing this for Ms. Hernandez. She was wondering if I could do it. So let's open up your message so you can know. I still need help with discovery. Well, guess what? I just did this recording for you. All right. So we go to the courses. Let's go to period 4, because that's what she's in. And I have the notes for, where are the first and second 9 weeks? All right. Well, for the third 9 weeks, which is this 9 weeks, is right here. The first 9 weeks is not showing, which is a bit weird. All material. But this is the notes for evolution, which is for this 9 weeks. Taxonomy, classification, and guess what? Plants, which we're going to be talking about this week and next week, and then we'll move on. Anything that's not there should be in this folder, but this folder is empty because obviously I didn't move that stuff into the third 9 weeks just yet. Let me take a quick look because I want to make sure you guys have the first and second 9 weeks. And it should look like this. See, second quarter discussion and first quarter discussion post. These are the first and second 9 weeks. This is the old information. you don't need that anymore, but if you want to go back and review some of the material, I always keep it up here so you can go back and review some of that material. Okay? And that shows me that I need to move some of this to period 4. I'll do that later so period 4 can have it. Hopefully that answers all your questions. I did it in 10 minutes, and that should be all. So let's go ahead and close that. If there's any other questions, please always send your message to Schoology, because I get it through Schoology. It comes to my email. All right, and that is all.